If you've been looking for a simple side hustle you can start from home in Kenya, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you 3 AI side hustles you can start with zero skills, zero experience, and using tools that are completely free. These methods are real easy to start and perfect for beginners right here in Kenya. First, consider AI content creation. Using tools like ChatGPT and Canva, you can generate engaging content for local businesses. Imagine earning 47,000 Kenyan shillings in just 2 weeks by helping businesses with their social media or marketing materials. Next, explore becoming an AI-powered virtual assistant. Automate tasks for busy entrepreneurs, making their lives easier and more efficient. This can potentially bring in 20,000 Kenyan shillings monthly, all from the comfort of your home. Finally, dive into AI-generated digital products. Create and sell templates like business plans or social media calendars tailored for the Kenyan market. These opportunities emphasize a mobile-first approach, free tools, and easy M-Pesa payments. Ready to transform your financial future with AI? Subscribe for more AI money-making tips in Kenya.